Did you know that Nathaniel Bibby's three-step LinkedIn process is legendary? For cloud staffing, about 3 months ago, I saw Nathaniel's video. The three-step process. I thought, gee, this looks pretty cool. So just the initial reach out, the second messaging, and then from there just jumping on the phone just to see if it's going to be worthwhile doing business. So for the last 3 months, we've been getting one new cloud staffing employee every week coming on board because of this process. And in the last 2 weeks, we've had 4 come on board. And an average cloud staffing employee is about $18,000 a year, and they stay for the long term. So that's pretty amazing, right? That's pretty much a license for 50 new clients a year, if not more, which is pretty much $900,000 to $1 million per year, just from the basic process for our business cloud staffing. So I can't really recommend it highly enough. Nathaniel is an absolute legend for giving us that basic information. We haven't even paid for it. That's what's so great. If anything, we deserve to pay him something, but maybe we could give him a bit of love or something like that. So, hey Nathaniel, thanks a million for that 3-step process advice. And I love all your videos. I love what you guys do over there. So I can't recommend Nathaniel highly enough, and just got to give a shout out to actually give his 3-step process a go. And a big key is making sure you drive it. You just can't do nothing. You just can't have the process. You've got to actually have it being driven and be motivated to get the business. So for cloud staffing, it's worked tremendously, and thank you very much.